The Malahit uSDX Transceiver Mainboard is a compact do-it-yourself platform that appeals to amateur radio operators who enjoy building and tweaking their own gear. Its latest 1.2 hardware revision offers a mature design that is noticeably more refined and stable than earlier experimental boards. The board supports low, classic, and high amateur bands through menu configuration, giving builders a flexible foundation for multiband portable use when paired with appropriate radio frequency modules. Component quality on the printed circuit board is good for the price class, with clearly marked pads and through holes that make hand soldering surprisingly approachable for patient builders. The inclusion of male pin headers and a well-laid-out connector scheme simplifies integration with displays, controls, and external radio frequency boards in a modular station setup. Clear documentation, including guidance on programming your call sign and setting band options, helps even less experienced hobbyists bring the mainboard to life with confidence.